Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix this if you're not being able to connect to your Wi-Fi and can't connect to this network is showing if you are trying to connect your Wi-Fi. So how can we fix this error? So first of all you have to go to settings on your Windows and you have to go to this network and internet and you have to go click on this troubleshoot. So when you click on troubleshoot, so it will try to diagnose any problem if there is exist in network adapter. So you have to have some patience. And now you have to select the Wi whether a Wi-Fi or Ethernet. So you have to select Wi-Fi. And now you have to click on this show me list of available networks. So now you have to try to connect Wi-Fi. If it still shows that can't connect to this network, then you may have to run troubleshoot again because in my case, after second time my Wi-Fi has been connected. So if this message is showing of if you're trying to connect your Wi-Fi continuously, then you may have to uh, unplug your router and plug in again. So you have to wait for 30 seconds and try to plug in your routers or modem after 30 seconds. So as you can see, my Wi-Fi has been connected and I tried 2 or 3 times troubleshoot. I tried to troubleshoot 2 or 3 times and after 2 or 3 attempts, I've been able to solve my problem. So if you're still not being able to connect your Wi-Fi, then you may have to unplug your modem or router from the power and wait for the 30 second and plug in again. So when you try, or you may try the different networks, different network on different frequency. Like you can try the 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz network Wi-Fi. So it may help you or to connect your Wi-Fi. So it usually exists with your network adapter on your PC or with the router. So you can try both option if you're not being able to connect to your Wi-Fi. So these are the methods you can apply to fix this problem. And if still you're not being able to solve this problem, you may have to replace your router or you may have to update your network adapter. So yeah, these are the solutions you can opt. And thanks for watching, guys. And thanks for seeing the next video. Till then, bye bye.